Organize your desktop. With 7 ports, the DigiNest Cube 65W charging station effectively organizes your charger cable jungle, saving space and providing a tidier workspace. 65W high-speed charge. Powered by GaN III chip, the DigiNest Cube USB-C charger delivers 65W of high-speed power to a 13 MacBook Air 2022, fully charging it in less than 1.5 hours. More ports, more organized. With 3 AC outlets and 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports, UGREEN 65W USB-C power strip powers up to 7 devices at the same time. Comprehensive safety protection. Charge with peace in mind with overload, overcurrent, and grounded protection, along with many other security features. Broad compatibility. UGREEN 65W USB-C charging station provides fast charging to virtually any device, phones, tablets and laptops. With 3 AC outlets, connect home appliances like a TV, projector, lamp, and more. Top reviews from the United States. Way better than 4 power bricks crammed on a power strip. This item is not just a stand-in for a standard power strip or extension cord. It really shows its value in the charging power it is able to deliver through its USB ports, 65 watts shared among the 4 USB ports. Plenty of power to fast charge lots of devices. With this, you do not need to buy 4 high-wattage power bricks, which together would certainly cost much more than this one charging station. With a regular power strip, you would also struggle to plug in all those power bricks next to each other since high-wattage ones usually block plugs next to them. And most power strips that do have USB ports built in usually only provide 5 watts of power through them. This charging station brings fast charging in a much less expensive, smaller, and neater package.